Did you know that a single honeybee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime? Now, imagine the collective effort of a hive to produce pounds of this golden elixir. Welcome to the fascinating journey of honey, from the diligent beekeepers to your breakfast table. Our story begins in the heart of a buzzing beehive. Here, the worker bees are the stars of the show. These tireless creatures flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar, a sweet liquid produced by plants. They store this nectar in their honey stomach, a separate stomach just for this purpose. On returning to the hive, the worker bees pass this nectar on to younger house bees. These bees chew the nectar, breaking down complex sugars into simpler ones. This process, called inversion, makes the honey easier to digest and longer lasting. The bees then deposit this inverted nectar into the cells of the honeycomb. But the process doesn't stop there. Bees fan their wings over these nectar-filled cells, evaporating the water and thickening the nectar into honey. Once the honey reaches the right consistency, the bees seal the cells with wax, creating what we know as honeycomb. Now enter the beekeeper, the caretaker of the bees and the steward of the honey. Beekeepers monitor the health of the bees in the hive, ensuring that there's enough honey for the bees to survive winter. When it's time to harvest, beekeepers use a smoker to calm the bees. They then carefully remove the frames, making sure not to harm the bees or the queen. Using a hot knife, the beekeeper uncaps the wax seal from the honeycomb. They then place the frames in an extractor, a device that spins the frames using centrifugal force to separate the honey from the comb. The honey is then strained to remove any remaining wax or other particles. Once strained, the honey is ready to be bottled. But wait, there's one more crucial step before it reaches the consumer: testing. The honey is tested for quality and purity. Only when it passes these rigorous tests can it be deemed ready for the consumer. Finally, the honey is bottled and labeled, ready to be distributed to stores. From there, it finds its way into your homes, onto your toast, into your tea, and more. So the next time you drizzle honey onto your morning oats, remember the journey it has taken. From the industrious worker bees collecting nectar, to the beekeepers caring for the hives, and the stringent testing processes ensuring the honey's quality. Every spoonful is a testament to the harmonious dance between nature and human effort. And that, dear listeners, is the sweet story of honey's journey from beekeeper to consumer, a process as golden and rich as the honey itself.